What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, back for another video, guys. Yeah, we're here to do a summary video of what I copped this month, but we might have included a couple from last month because yeah, I did buy a few things after I shot last month's video. But yeah, we haven't been able to hit up any Nike outlets in the last couple weeks or something. It's been a minute, but yeah, I still ended up hitting up outlets for 2 weeks, and I should go to at least 5 to 7 every week. So I was still able to cop enough stuff to make this video. So yeah, let's see what I got, you guys. See what I copped. I did end up buying a few things for retail, which I normally don't, because most of you guys know my motto is why pay retail when you can find stuff at the outlet for hella cheap. But unfortunately, we do have to pay retail if we really want certain pair of sneakers, and there were a couple that I had to get. So yeah, let's start with our additions to the collection for this month, you guys. All right, towards the end of last month, pretty much at the end of the month, I was able to pick up a PSG long sleeve, PSG Jordan long sleeve T-shirt. Pretty much, it does have the super dope PSG logo on it. Does say Paris on the sides, on both sides. Does have that Paris with the Jumpman logo as the A. That's on both sides. That's on both sides of the arms. Pretty dope. Big fan of that, and it does have a pretty, like a little collab emblem on the bottom with the Jordan, and that's not focusing. Hello, there you go. Bam. So yeah, this normally retails for 45 bucks. I was able to get this at the outlet. I think it was at $25. So I ended up getting 50% off. Can't go wrong with that. Second find of the month, or second find for this video. I ended up getting these sweats. These are just some sweats. They are tapered on the bottom. I think this is one of the first tapered ones I've had probably in like 20 years. But yeah, it does have that Jumpman Nike combo logo on it. It's pretty cool. And also does have, it does say Air Jordan on the side, I believe. On the back, I guess. Yeah, that's on the back. Yeah, these normally go for, man, sweats be, man. They be taxing us on these sweats, man. Sweats be going for $75 normally, and I was able to cop for like $28 or something. It was under 30 bucks that I got it for, so that was pretty dope. That was pretty dope, you guys. For some of you guys that don't watch all of my videos, man, y'all need to keep watching, because I've been finding some crazy stuff, you guys. Like, towards the end of February, I was able to cop the Kobe's, you guys. Kobe ADs. These are the AD 2018s. They also call them the Exodus. Yeah, and I was able to find these bad boys. These normally, I think these were for like 140, 150, but you know, after Kobe passed, you know, you could not find Kobe's. You couldn't find Kobe's for retail. Every one of the Kobe's were all of a sudden hyped up limited sneakers. So yeah, I ended up copying these for 100 bucks. And yeah, these were selling for a few hundred online. So I was super happy to get these. I did like the colorway. They had the option of a blue and peach. It was a blue and peach color. I ended up getting these because yeah, I wasn't digging that peach. I did like the blue though, but yeah, I ended up copying these for 100 bucks. 100 bucks, you guys. At the end of last month, I ended up having a crazy trip to the Long Beach outlet. I actually had a couple trips to Long Beach outlet that were just insane this month. And this actually might have been end of February, but we ended up copping the LeBron 17 Toon Squad, you guys. Toon Squad. These are just insane. These are dope. I was trying to figure out whether I should keep these or not. I definitely should do a review. I don't know why I didn't end up doing a review of these, but these are insane. Ended up copping them for hella cheap. Got them for these retail for 170, and these were sold out. But I ended up copping them for 122. 122, dude. These are just insane. I did have them on GOAT for a minute, but we're not supposed to go to the post office, so I ended up taking them off. I'm still trying to figure out if I should keep them or if I should sell them. We'll find out. We'll find out. At the same trip, I ended up finding these dunks, you guys. These are the P-Rods. P-Rod, Paul Rodriguez dunks. They're pretty much inspired by the Mexican flag as well as the boxing community, because that plays a big role in the Mexican culture and whatnot. But yeah, these are just fire, dude. These are fire. I did offer these to anybody who wanted them on my Instagram. You guys need to follow my Instagram because I did offer them. I kept that up for 3 days. If anybody wanted them, I was going to let them go. These are a size 11, so I really didn't think they would fit. After the third day, nobody had come forward and asked for them. I did put up the video, and you know what? At that point, I tried them on, and they actually fit decent, and they're hella dope. So, but I decided to keep them. If anybody didn't want them for the first 3 days, I would have let them go, because I did tell the people on Instagram, if you guys want them, you guys can get them from me for the price I paid plus shipping. But I ended up changing my mind after nobody put out any offers. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep these. I would have been sad to let them go, but if someone wanted them, you know, I would have let them go, because I hadn't even tried them on yet. I hadn't tried them on yet, so I would have let them go. But yeah, they're just too fire. I'm gonna end up keeping these. So yeah, I ended up copying these for $90 freaking dollars. $90 freaking dollars. That's just insane. This is the type of stuff that gets me going to the Nike outlets, and that got me hooked, man. I'm like hooked like a crackhead, dude. Like, right now we go to the Nike clearance center. Ended up copping these. These were actually for a family friend before the coronavirus hit, but haven't seen anybody, so haven't been able to see if he wants these. But yeah, the Kyrie 5. The Kyrie 5. I thought these were one of the TBs, right? Yeah, this is a TB, pretty much for, you know, high schools, colleges, to match their uniform and stuff like that. Super duper dope. $50 freaking dollars, size 9.5. Like, you can't go wrong with that, you guys. You just cannot go wrong with that. I could probably resell these. If he doesn't want them, I'll probably just throw them on GOAT or something. They are brand new. No absolute any evidence of wear or anything. So yeah, ended up copping them for $65. Well, why am I showing you guys? I got the price right here. Whatever. So yeah, ended up copping these for $57. Hella cheap, you guys. All right, now we're getting to the retail portion of this video. I did end up copping a couple things for retail. I did throw out a review of these as well. But yeah, I ended up getting the Fairfax. The LeBron 7 Fairfax, you guys. Oh my goodness. Such a fan of these. I did attend Fairfax High School, so I am biased. But, you know, these are my favorite LeBron 7s. What else am I going to say? You know, it has my high school's name on it. Like, what else am I going to say? But yeah, these are just fire. I think these and the China Moons are kind of the dopest ones that I've seen. But yeah, super dope. I did pay $200 for these. I probably would have doubled up if the Nike outlets are open. I probably would have doubled up. I probably would have gone to the Nike outlets and try to find it for 20 or 30% off, because these don't have resale, and we all know when things don't have resale, you can find them at the outlets, because all the small time resellers will get them, and then they'll try to sell them right after, because they don't know what sells, what doesn't. So if you see anything that comes out, and you see on StockX that there's no resale value, then pretty much you're gonna find them at the outlets the next day, or within the next like 3-4 days. So make sure you guys go hit up the outlets and try to get it for cheap in those situations. On the last cop of the month, you guys, I was able to double up on these Jordan 3 UNCs. Yeah, one's my size, one's a size 10.5, one's actually a size 11. I was gonna throw that bad boy on, and I did end up copying two, because I ordered one on sneakers, I hit on sneakers, and then this one I was going to actually sell it. I was actually going to do a review, then sell it, but this Corona thing hit. I can't go to the post office, so I'm not even going to try to sell it. I might, the prices are creeping back up, so I might wait a couple months. But yeah, the UNC 3s, you guys, oh my goodness. These are just, they're extra clean, man. These are just fire. I think these are going to be one of my favorite cops of the year. It is what it is. But yeah, I did end up paying retail. But the fact that I was able to get them, you know, I was super happy with these, because Chef, his boss, and I were talking, and go ahead, follow him on IG. But he and I were talking, and these were they were limited, but they weren't like super hard to get. Like, if you put some effort into it, if you went and stood in line, they weren't super hard to get. So if you didn't cop them, that just means you were either in an area where they didn't have any, and I felt bad for you, or you just didn't wake up early enough. Because when I went to the mall, I just went to the mall and picked these up, and obviously they're size 11. I probably could wear them, but they wouldn't be a snug fit. But yeah. But yeah, I felt like they weren't too hard to get, but you're not going to see 500 million people with them on. So kind of a really good thing for sneakerheads, you guys. Kind of a really good situation. Thanks for watching, you guys. That's pretty much what I spent doing this month. That's pretty much what I did. You guys just saw what I've copped. Yeah, let me know if you guys copped any of these sneakers, if you guys copped anything better. I don't know, was there any duds? Like, did I make any mistakes buying anything? Are you guys fans of one shoe but not the other? Let me know, you guys. Let me know in the comment section. You know, I'm definitely going to be hitting up the outlets as soon as I get a chance, but right now it's just not safe, and they're not even open. But even when they do open, I may or may not go right away. We'll see, because yeah, kind of gotta make sure my family's safe and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead, tune in. I'm gonna try to get as much content for you guys during our I'm gonna call this what, spring break, during our spring break, and definitely try to keep you guys entertained. Don't forget to hit that like button, help your boy out. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys press that like button, and make sure you guys go ahead, click that notification bell as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Towards the end of February, I was able to cop these Jordans. Did I say Jordans? What the hell? Insane. I did have. Man, why is my phone going off? What the hell? And for my last cop of the year, you guys are.